What's up, AP Bio Penguins? Today we do AP Bio Math Minute, looking at the cells in mitosis, and a quick little review of mitosis as well. So here we've been given a chart, and we need to fill in the missing values, which those missing values are the percent of the cells that are in that phase. So we need to find the total of cells. So we add all these together, and we get 117. So the first step of the cell cycle is interphase. This is going to happen before mitosis. And the cell's going to grow so it's large enough for when it divides, it will be equal size, as well as it's going to make copies of the organelles as well as the DNA. So we have 62 cells in that phase. So 62 divided by 117 tells us we have 53% of the cells in interphase. Our next step is going to be prophase. Prophase is going to be when the cell is preparing to divide. Our chromatin is going to condense. The sister chromatids will pair up. And we're going to see that our spindle fibers kind of move to opposite poles, so we'll be able to attach to those sister chromatids for the next phase. So we have 31 cells divided by 117 total cells. Gives us 26.5% of the cells that will be in prophase. Our next step is metaphase. Metaphase is when the sister chromatids are now lined up in the middle of the cell. It's due to the tug of war from the kinetochore microtubules. And we have 12 cells that are in that phase, so 12 divided by 117 gives us 10.3%. Fill that into our chart, of course. And our next phase is going to be anaphase. Anaphase is when those kinetochore microtubules have started to pull our sister chromatids to opposite poles. And so they're going to move apart. So I have 8 cells in this phase. 8 divided by 117 gives me 6.8%. Now I forgot to fill in the chart, so we'll do that later. The next part is telophase. Now I'm going to form a nuclear envelope around these new kind of nuclei where we've moved those sister chromatids. So there's 4 cells in this phase, so 4 divided by 117 gives us 3.4%. And after the mitosis, we're going to go through cytokinesis. This is when the cytoplasm is going to be split or divided, and this is when the actual cell is divided. So we're going to fill in our chart because we forgot to fill those in from earlier. So there's our 6.8 from our anaphase and 3.4 for telophase. Now we need to find the percent of cells that are in mitosis. So prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase are all part of mitosis, which means that we're going to do 100 minus 53% because that was in interphase, which was before mitosis, which gives us 47% of cells are in mitosis. So I hope this was helpful. Remember, AP Bio Penguins just success. Bye, y'all.